Never eat these 6 foods after age 60. As we age, our bodies change and we become more susceptible to certain health conditions. For example, did you know that eating certain foods after the age of 60 can put you at risk for indigestion or even food poisoning? To help you avoid these potential health hazards, we've compiled a list of 6 foods that you should never eat after age 60. From fatty meats to raw eggs, read on to find out which foods you should avoid as you get older. 1. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta. Refined carbohydrates, like white bread and pasta, provide people with a lot of energy, but healthy eating habits should be kept in mind. Eating carbohydrates that are not processed too much is beneficial for improving general health and diet. However, after 60 years of age, it's important to limit the intake of refined carbohydrates, as they can result in hefty weight gain and even numerous chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and cardiac illnesses. Keep healthy by ensuring a balanced diet, including healthy carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa or sweet potatoes. 2. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and sausage. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and sausage have become a popular choice for quick meals but are far from healthy. These meats are very high in saturated fat and sodium, contributing to health conditions such as high cholesterol, hypertension, and diabetes. Eating processed meats is normally safe. However, after the age of 60, it is best to avoid them as they can increase your risk of colorectal cancer. Overall, it is better to choose leaner forms of protein such as fish or turkey rather than processed meat for healthy living. 3. Fried foods like French fries and chicken fingers. Fried foods are a beloved guilty pleasure of many, ranging from French fries to chicken fingers. While these delicious treats may provide an immediate satisfaction, they may also lead to long-term health issues. Fried foods like French fries and chicken fingers are notoriously unhealthy and high in saturated fats, which can lead to high cholesterol and weight gain. Some studies have even found that people should never eat fried foods after the age of 60 because it increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. For those looking to indulge in fried snacks occasionally, healthy alternatives can be found, such as using alternative healthy cooking oils like avocado oil for frying or utilizing an air fryer to fry foods with a fraction of the fat content. While fried food is normally difficult to justify from a healthy standpoint, making alterations such as those mentioned above may take some of the guilt out of indulging in a tasty treat every now and then. 4. Sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks may seem like a refreshing treat, but they are unhealthy and should be avoided. They contain a high amount of sugar, unnatural additives, and chemicals which can easily put your body out of balance. They also contain calories such as red 40, which has been linked to several health issues including cancer. Furthermore, research has shown that the artificial sweeteners used in these types of beverages can adversely affect healthy gut bacteria, increasing your risk for obesity and type 2 diabetes. When wondering about healthy alternatives to sugary drinks, there are many options that offer natural flavors without all of the added nonsense. If you must have a sugary drink on occasion, it's important to never consume them after 60 minutes before or after eating. This will help avoid an insulin spike that could result in weight gain or other health risks associated with high sugar consumption. 5. Desserts high in sugar or fat. Desserts high in sugar or fat can be an occasional treat, however consuming them on a regular or frequent basis is not healthy. Too much sugar and fat can increase your risk for various illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. It's important to consider healthy alternatives when deciding what types of desserts to eat. While there are store-bought healthy options, such as low-fat frozen yogurt, there are also many simple recipes you can make yourself with natural ingredients that taste just as good as the higher-calorie versions. However, once you reach the age of 60, it is generally recommended to avoid eating these types of desserts altogether due to their potential negative impacts on the health of older adults. Taking the time to find healthy dessert alternatives now can help ensure that you stay healthy later in life. 6. Salty snacks like chips and pretzels. Salty snacks like chips and pretzels are staples in many snack cupboards, but it's important to consider healthy alternatives. For example, hummus with sliced veggies like bell peppers is a great substitute for chips. Similarly, baked pita strips offer a healthy alternative to classic pretzels. If salty snacks remain a part of your diet, make sure to ration them. Research has shown that healthy adults should consume no more than 2,000 milligrams of sodium in one day, and if you're over the age of 60, experts recommend never eating salty snacks at all due to their potential negative impacts on heart health. Eating healthy doesn't mean giving up salty snacks altogether, you just have to practice moderation.